today I'm showing you my DIY ponytail. This is my natural length. I have naturally curly hair, so I straightened it. I'm going to take some extra braiding hair. See, it's very long, just double it. Take your little ponytail holder, loop it around, and pull it through like a slip knot. Then I'm going to get my hair in a smooth ponytail and tie it around. Now that I have my ponytail smoothed out, I'm going to take my long ponytail and I'm going to just wrap this loop around. My real hair, like so. Just about 3 times or however many times you need to make sure it's tight. Okay, I'm just gonna add a little bit of gel to my real hair and twist it, and then wrap it around the long ponytail and bobby pin it down. If it's a little messed up, just hold it and brush it to smooth it out. And that's my inexpensive DIY ponytail.